In today's video, I'm going to talk about why working harder in your job isn't going to make you rich. In fact, working a 9-to-5 job isn't going to make you rich. Now, before I continue the video, let me just give you a quick background on who I am and why you should trust me. So my name is Alim and I took the biggest risk of my life. I quit my 9-to-5 job, moved to Dubai, and now I own a 6-figure coaching business. And the mad thing is, I've worked so many 9-to-5 jobs, right? I first started in Argos, I was then working in World Duty Free, I then moved to Sky, and in Sky I had 2 jobs, right? So one, I was working as a sales advisor. After about 4 years, I then moved on to a media operator, right? And after I was working there for a year and a half, and I realized, you know what, this is complete bullshit. So I took the biggest risk, I quit my job, I moved to Dubai with no savings, right? And the crazy thing is, it's actually illegal to be homeless in Dubai, right? But you can imagine the risk that I took was crazy. I said to myself, no, I'm gonna make this happen, I'm gonna take a risk, and I moved to Dubai, right? 12 months later, I now own a 6-figure coaching business, and I've got complete freedom to work where I want and when I want. And my life has completely changed. And as you can see, I'm still here in Dubai, living life, doing really well. And like, I've even got a swimming pool in my balcony, right? Which I'll quickly show you, right? You can see, look, I've got a swimming pool in the balcony. Just quickly show you. And all of this literally happened because I realized that working harder in your 9-to-5 job is not going to make you rich, right? And a lot of people think that. A lot of people think, okay, if I work harder in my job, you know, my boss is going to notice and, you know, he might give me a promotion or he might give me a raise or whatever you guys think. Trust me, that is not the case. You've got to understand, you're just like another rat in the business, right? They just look at you like rats, right? You're all the same, right? And at the end of the day, working hard to impress your boss isn't going to make you rich. It's the reality of life. Because a lot of people really think that if they impress their boss, they might just get a promotion and they might do well in the company. Well, let me burst your bubble. In fact, I remember when I was working at Sky as a sales advisor, right? I had a manager who was sort of around the same age as me. And he used to basically kiss ass, right? And I mean this. If you're watching this, bro, I'm sorry, but that was the reality. He used to kiss his boss's ass. He used to always take their side. And there was times where a lot of different politics happened at work. But even though he knew what he was doing was wrong, he was still kissing the boss's ass, basically, right? And I remember talking to him once, and I said to him at that time, like, bro, why are you doing that? Because you know what you're doing is wrong, right? And I said to him, you know they can replace you tomorrow, and they don't give a shit. He didn't listen to me. And it's quite funny because I think later on, once I left and whatnot, they demoted him back as a sales advisor. And I think he resigned and got another job. But my point stays the same, right? They will replace you in an instant. Why are you trying to impress your boss? Why are you trying to impress your company? Because they don't give a f about you. And this is what I try to say to a lot of people, right? When you're working your job and you're trying so hard, why? For what? Like, do you know how many people I remember when I was working some of these jobs, right? And they were so like, oh, you can't do that. And, oh, I'm going to tell the manager this and that. Like people that, you know, those people that take their jobs so seriously, like they own the company. Crazy, absolutely crazy, right? And I'm looking at these people like, are you okay? Like, you're going to complain over what? Like, it's not even that deep. Like, do you own the company? Does your dad own the company? Like, come on. I hated these types of people because they thought, oh, me being like this, or, you know, I guess you can call it the teacher's pet, me being like this is gonna help me move up within the company faster. And I saw this a lot at Sky, especially in the sales advisor position. I saw this a lot with so many people, right? And it was just crazy to me because I was like, I could never do that. I could never kiss someone's ass trying to get a better position, right? And I knew I didn't want to do that for long. I knew I wanted to make money for myself. I knew I wanted to be financially secure. And I knew I wanted freedom, right? And I knew none of these jobs were going to give me that. That's why I took a risk, right? I took a big, massive risk. And I said, I'm going to move to Dubai. Now, what should you do instead? If you're not going to work harder at your job, how can you actually make money? How can you actually get freedom? Now, before I go into that point, I just want to mention, if you guys are looking to start your own online coaching business or your own online info business where I can scale you to 10K a month working with me on a 3-month program where I'll work with you on a one-to-one basis every week, show you exactly the systems and strategies that I'm using, that my clients are using, so we can scale you to 10K a month consistently. If that does sound like you, make sure you click the link in the description below and book in a call with me. And what we'll do is we'll jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can help you. Now, back to the point. What should you do if you shouldn't be working hard at your job? Well, what you should then be doing is finding ways to make money outside of the matrix, finding ways to make money outside of your job. Now, I know that's easier said than done, right? Because you don't know where to start. And this is why I would generally recommend mentorship, right? Which is what obviously I'm providing. But if you don't want to sign up with me, sign up with someone else, right? But my main point is make sure you sign up to a mentorship program because at the end of the day, you don't know how to do it. You don't know how to make money outside your job. And a lot of people are like this. They don't know how to make money outside the job. So rather than just trying different business models, which is going to take you a long time before you figure out what actually works, right? Why not just sign up with someone that knows what they're doing, knows how to make money, and then they can teach you exactly the same thing, so you can skip out on all the mistakes and stop wasting time, right? And this is exactly what I did. When I moved to Dubai, I hired a mentor. My mentor showed me exactly what I need to do. I implemented those things, and now I'm making 6 figures a year. But the crazy thing is, right, all because I took action. A lot of you guys are comfortable in your 9-to-5 job, and when I say comfortable, I don't mean happy. You're comfortable in the sense that you can't be asked to get out of it. You can't be asked to try something new. You can't be asked to try and make more money. Yet, when your boss tells you to do something, you're gonna try and work extra hard because you wanna impress him and try and get more money and move up that way. But you won't try and do it for yourself, which is completely baffling to me. Because a lot of you guys have the capabilities, right? Like a lot of you guys also put yourself down because you think you can't do it. Like I've spoken to so many people on sales calls who have said to me, no, I can't do it. Like I've tried, I can't make money, I can't do this, I can't do that, blah, blah, blah. And it's quite funny because the ones that I did convert on the call, the ones that have joined my program are now saying otherwise because now they're making money, right? So it's as simple as that. You have to try and take risk in your life because if you don't do that, well, you're gonna be in the same spot. A lot of you guys just contemplate whether you're gonna do something or not, and then you don't move forward, right? The main point of this video is, one, working harder at your job isn't going to make you rich, so understand that clearly. Two, a job isn't going to make you rich. And three, if you want to change your situation, you need to start making changes now. Not tomorrow, not next week, you need to start making changes now. So whether that's starting your business, whether that's hiring mentorship to start your business, or whether that's actually taking action towards your goal, that is what you need to do today. So as I said, right, if you do need help, book in a call with me by clicking the link in the description below. It's a 3-month program where I'll work with you to scale you to 10K a month by selling your knowledge and skills to high ticket clients. And I can give you some guidance and show you exactly how you can start making money and having the freedom that, you know, obviously I have right now. The other thing is, right, a lot of you guys need to fix your mindset because you keep thinking that maybe one day you're gonna become rich, right? It never works like that. Like no one becomes rich on accident. And if you're thinking about winning the lottery, come on, there's so many people in the world, you're not gonna win the lottery, right? Forget thinking about the lottery. You need to start thinking about putting in effort and working hard so you can start making money consistently. Because if you're gonna rely on external things to try and make you rich, then it's never gonna happen. You need to try and do the stuff that you need to do to get you that one step closer to the goal. Because when I was working my 9-to-5 job, and I used to just think, you know, money's gonna come, money's gonna come, money's gonna come, and it never did. And why? Because I didn't put in the work. Now, I put in the work, I put in the effort, and money just comes to me so easily. In fact, in the last 24 hours, I made about 2-3K, right? And that's literally just because I work hard and I put in the effort and I know what I'm doing, right? So my question is to you guys, how badly do you want to move to a city like Dubai? How badly do you want to change your life? How badly do you want to make a difference for your family so they can say and be proud of you and look at you and say, you know what? He took a risk, he made money, and now he's doing really well for himself. So as I said, guys, it's just a quick video. I just wanted to mention this point. But if you do need any help, you do want to make money online, you want to scale to 10K a month working with me on a 3-month program, click the link in the description and book in a call with me. And if you've got a problem with your mindset and you feel like you just can't start a business, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.